Alrighty everybody, it's Michael Alder here with CarpetExpertBlueprint.com covering more Q&A that came in, and this one is carpet or vinyl plank, which is cheaper? So this video could obviously be structured a couple different ways, but assume this is for you DIY types that want to do it yourself and you want to know which route is cheaper. Well, with carpet and vinyl planks both, you have entry-level products, and then you could scale to the top of the food chain if you want to get ridiculous with it. But let's focus on, you're looking to do this yourself and you want the cheapest products possible. So we're going to base this on a 10 by 15 room. So let's say we got a room here, going back to my classic 10 or 11 by 15 bedroom. Got your closet. So if you were to do this yourself and you want to know which is cheaper, the cheapest carpet and padding, if you were to do it yourself, is going to run you roughly $7 a yard. So a 10 by 15 room in the carpet world, you got to buy a 12 by 15, so that's 20 yards. And if you have 20 yards of the cheap carpet with padding and you're doing it yourself, figure about $7 a yard will get you in the game there. So that's going to be $140. That's just your materials there on the cheap side. Now, if you were to do vinyl plank, they have specials on them, but overall, rule of thumb, cheap vinyl plank is $2 a square foot. So on 150 square feet, because the room's 10 by 15, figure 150 exactly, it's going to be $300 for that. So then you got to figure out, well, for double the price, is it worth it to do vinyl plank? Well, a cheap carpet, no matter how good you take care of it, at max you're getting 5 years out of it. Vinyl plank, on the cheap side, you could get 5 to 8 if you're taking care of it, but a lot of these vinyl planks on the cheaper end, I've seen them scratching up and things like that where they claim they're indestructible. Now, if you step it up into a $3 square foot vinyl plank, you'll get a ton of life out of that, but you're going to be in the $450 range. Now, I know I'm getting away from the topic of this video, but I just want to stress the importance of, just because it's a vinyl plank and they're selling them as scratch proof and lifelong, blah, 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 they are scuffing up on the cheaper side. So if you're going cheap on both of them, carpet and padding would run you about $140 versus the vinyl plank at $300. The carpet, you're going to get 3 to 5 years out of. The vinyl plank, if you're taking good care of it and not dragging stuff along it, you could get 5 to 8. So it's definitely worth the extra investment, I think, for the life you'll get out of it. But just keep in mind, a cheap vinyl plank will still break down if you're not taking care of it. So that's all I have for this video here. Be sure to comment below with additional questions about the flooring industry, and stop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. There'll be a link below the video. We are doing DIY toolkit giveaways. The toolkit changes every single week, and we pick a new winner every week. So if you don't get it this week, you may be the winner next. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.